Presenting the Amazon Basics 564-liter frost-free side-by-side refrigerator with water dispenser in silver color. This spacious unit is ideal for large families with more than 4 to 5 members. The refrigerator comes with a multi-airflow system to ensure smooth airflow into the storage compartments for uniform cooling. It also comes with precise temperature control to maintain the correct temperature inside the refrigerator. With the automatic defrost technology, the refrigerator prevents excess ice buildup inside. The refrigerator is not just aesthetically designed but also uses a compressor that makes minimal noise, making it suitable for your homes. It comes with a water dispenser, allowing you to have cold water without opening the refrigerator door every time. It features an inbuilt LED display panel that allows instant control and access of the temperature settings, making it convenient and easy to use. Equipped with a super cooling and freeze function, the refrigerator cools items immediately. It comes with an LED light for fridge and freezer compartment, making it easy to locate things inside the fridge. It also comes with a door alarm function that starts beeping if the refrigerator door is kept open for a long time. This Amazon Basics refrigerator comes with adjustable legs, allowing you to set it at the desired level. The refrigerator is 4-star energy efficient. Despite its large size, it delivers effective cooling with minimum power consumption. This refrigerator comes with a warranty of 1 year on the product and 5 years on the compressor. You can schedule the delivery of this product at a day and time of your convenience. Prime members get free delivery. Amazon will coordinate with the brand for installing your product within 48 hours of delivery. In case you receive the product in a condition that is damaged or defective, we offer a free 10-day return or replacement policy. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options, and other offers, visit the product detail page.